Hello everyone, welcome to some more of Palworld, and look at this. I have a ton of Shokuntai XP now. I cut lots of them, around 100, and risk for more. I have like more than 200 now I guess. I try to get the best one for cooking cake. And here, this is it. It had the serious artisan was like to increase work speed. I'm not able to get the lucky one, so I got this one instead. And now I want to go to the condensing and upgrade them to max level to get the Kylan level 5. Let's choose this one. Now we sacrifice the other Chopuntai Ignite to upgrade this one. Need 16 to upgrade to 2 star. And then 32. Oh, need to choose this one first. Now 32 to upgrade to level 3. And then 64 to max level. Okay, here we go. Level 5, Kylan. Now let's go and try to make the cake. Look how fast it is. Let's make like maybe 10 now. Let's see the normal one. Cook and then a level 5 Kylan. Right, it's way faster. This one go first, but now the second one already done. Very fast here. So I will lay him at the bay now. I got another one with the same passive skill, but I don't have enough to upgrade. It's also not necessary to have multiple Shokuntai Ignite. So let's put this one back maybe. I also have another one here. I have some of the Shokuntai with different passive skill. Want to make the 5 version. The ones for fighting. I think I will get the Process Pyromania must go ahead, and then Hooligan. That's on the head here. We're not able to cross bridge in Shokuntai Ignite, so we don't have. So we can get passive skill like Legion or Emperor's of the Flame. So maybe that's I will go for now. Now let's I go back to the main bay. Okay, so I build my new bay here. It's my main bay now. It's in the location right here. It's on the fork and coin knot. So bridge some Anubis here. It's on the passive skill for mining or crafting stuff. I have a fork tree over there. And here I have on the bow bed a little farm over there to make food. Fridge to kind of store our food here. A kitchen, and then electric smithing in the second floor. This is the workspace. I need to grab some stuff here. And I messed a little house over here. There's the bar in there, and then a piano and the workspace here. That's all I got for menu bay here for now. Maybe I can add some decoration to this area. I have some legendary stematics here, and I want to match them. Let's see first. I have a handgun from the beacon bot. This one from the Pen King, and this one from Azurberry or something. And from this one, Azurober. Okay, so we met this one first. Okay, and I missed. Work for me. Now match this one. And the handgun. It needs to make it from here. It's a little bit slow here. Maybe I need to you come here and have. No, he said no. Maybe you. Let's see. Or maybe only two of them can work in here. In this episode, I want to maybe go here and find a Shokunchai boss. Yeah, another one in this volcano here. Maybe I can find both of them. That's what I need to make some starter. Let's make the Shokunchai Igni. And then the respawn. I want to go find them. Find the Shokunchai with the Shokunchai Igni and respawn. Let's grab the polymer here. And let's wait for this one. I can have as well. Now, oh, and there's more powder fragment. Let me get some. Okay, so now we're ready to make this one. Let's wait for the other bit to go and help me. Okay, here it is. Now it's done. I need to prepare. And there's some handgun ammo. Maybe half of this. I also need to prepare the shield and the crossbow as well. Let's wear the new armor. It's look nicer, and the has brown as well. Oh, it's just a little thing right above the ear. Let's look good. Now let's go. I will boost the on glow here. Let's start with this handgun. Put the stun button here as well. Just on the put 3 here. Put skill here. Also add this schematic. Go here. Now I think I'm ready to go to fight Shokunchai. So put some small box here, close to the orc one. So when they might the orc, they will be easier for the bow to transport them. Now let's go. Maybe go here. I will use the payload now. Let's see. I need to go exactly this way. Oh, the map is stopped right here. Where's the cam here? Let's see. Huh. I may try to get this one. It's the Jock Talk Grist kinda weird to guess. So I will try to release this one. Go find him for me. Nice. Now we go for the Jock and tie. Oh, let's zoom down there. Chest here. And a little more. Right in the tree here. Guys, maybe let's use the respawn first. Electric goods again. Water. Let's see. Do some ghost damage. See what is attack then. Oh. So let's do the minigun now. Not much damage. That's the because it's just the random I got from this island, not the perfect passive skill. Now maybe change to the Bitcoin. Let's see. Try landing here. Okay, let's revive by himself. Now it's time for the anti-ignite, maybe. Oh, let's use my new handgun. Let's see how much damage there. Is it okay? It's looks like my guy gets stuck here. Now let's try to use the Palworld, maybe. Oh, I'm dying. I'm not paying attention to the health for a second. Now let's try to avoid getting that now. Okay, I dodged this one. Change to the payload now. Maybe. Reason, that's good. Oh. Oh, Adam needs to we lost too much. Maybe sustain a little more. Ow. Let's try to hit his S into the spot here. Maybe now I can try to grab him, maybe with the ultra spare. Let's see. This can probably blow. Let's shoot him some more. Nice. What's in? Leprosy and purple body. Pretty good. There's another one on the map. I think in this area. Right here. Maybe I will go for him as well. Let's grab some lip monk effigy here. And we will go there. Change to the Palworld. Grab this egg and fly up there. And here we go now. I teleport to here and maybe go this way. Oh, there are red chests here. There are lots of Mashanda here. Maybe go here. Grab this chest here. Okay, so here he is. Oh, maybe this one in the water though. Oh, it was still here, maybe not swallow enough for me to stand there. It's in this direction. I try to find some place where I can stand. Oh, I'm not seeing him there. Oh, maybe it's the same respawn at the other one though. That's why I'm not seeing him here. It should be right here. So I come back here with the ice dungeon. It's the location right here, close to the snow area, which is a high level area. So it's a level 45 boss. Let's go and try it. Maybe it's same level as me now. Probably this will be a hard one. Oh, what's the Crypto Christian? Oh, let's go. Wow, it hit me like half the health though. Maybe let's do some time. Come back. Let's try. Let's see if I can catch him. Let's try to lower his health as much as possible. Maybe? Yes, nice. Oh, my job one try. Take a lot of time. Let's summon the... Oh. I have a Maras here. Maybe try to get D as well. Wow. Oh my god, this one hits him. Okay, let's go to probably this way. I'm never in the eye dungeon before, so I'm not very familiar with the layout here. Wow, Is the area look kinda same as the in the other dungeon? Let's kill this one, maybe. One more shot. We have 2 way here. 3. This one with the lunar wrist. Maybe we try to guess it. Oh, it's stuck to the wall. Oh, there are lots of way here. Lots of way here. Oh, chest. Let's see this way. And we will ignore them for now. I see any other chest here. It looks like it should be here, but it's not. So probably go back. Let's try this way now. One chest here. So nothing else here. And we will go back to the previous room. Should be this way. Actually, I'm not sure anymore. Let's try this way then. Another chest room. Gone key. This looks like a new area. Another way here. Let's see. Oh, we have Siblik here. Siblik or something. We try to get this one. Hopefully he not die from this one. Nice. You can grab this chest here. We try again though. Oh, I waste this bow. Not spare. Come on. Maybe? Nice. Is the lunar wrist? I already have that. So let's go back this way. There's another way here. I come from there. Now let's go here. Oh, this is the boss room. Oh, a turn boss? Let's try to reset this area. Let's see, I can get something special here. A start flick. It's a short one. So let's try to change to something new. Okay. This looks like a new guy here. I not have this one yet. I have seen him around the world though, but not yet one. So let's try. Okay, now guess wow, I got free here. It's dangerous though. You go for me now. Just be careful. Let's do the shock on tide XP. Fire boost again I. Let's try to wait for my shield to regain. Stay far away from him now. They can shoot him from here. He burned him. That's good. Oh, go for me now. Nice. Now let's try to run from him. I will try to cast this one, if possible. 3% now. Maybe I guess I set down some more. Oh, I should let the Jakuntai hit this one. Probably. Oh. Somehow the crossbow sometimes lost we lost after shots. It's kinda weird. Let's do the handgun now. Ow. I stuck to the rock. Hey, maybe now. Maybe? Yes. Good. What's the rest as well? Boost passive skill. Grab my chest. Because the technology boy. And this force skill. Now it's out. Okay, so there another eye dungeon. Probably try this as well. I will ignore the fighting here. Try to fight the chest and go to the bot room. Let's see. Maybe this way first. Oh, I need to jump up here. Let's go with the payload. Oh, another big room here. Oh, it's the bot room already. Wow, the bank blade. So let's try to go to the other room first. Also reset the bot as well. Chest here. Go this way now. Another chest. was last spell shown. Probably go back. Oh, this was the wrong way. Because I remember there another room here. Maybe this one. Yeah, sleep now. Maybe it's nighttime. Nothing here. So let's go back to the board. Push up with the fellow. Very good here. Let's see what we got this time. Oh, wyvern here. Not so though. Maybe just get him. Whatever. Let's use this skill. I should deal a lot of them. Oh, I was wrong. I should use the ice skill again. Wyvern. This one. Yeah, this good though. I should use this one when he sleeps, so it's still more than. Okay, maybe we can try to cap this down. Oh, first charge. There it goes. Grab the chest. Oh, we got turbo chest now. Double. Oh, it said cold resistance level 3 though. Wow. Ghost one? Definitely. That's neat. Wow. We have 151 wrist here. Slip monk here. Let's try to explore this place a little bit. There are 4 chests here. I already grabbed the chest here before. And now it respawn. So let's try to grab this. Last bow shot. Shame. Never gone key here. Kill this guy. With some coin. Maybe we'll go back now. So another chest here. First skill. Now the fast travel point. Right here. Let's see like a lip monk now. Grab this first. The egg here as well. Oh, my inventory full. Now let's go back. Probably do this way. I will put the egg here. Okay, got some more egg press here. Let's see. I can have 2 more. It's okay though. So let's grab this guy. I can make more. I need to grab the egg here. Oh, I also put the chickpea and the cow to get a good passive skill. Also condensor them to max star. This looks like it was heavy here. Okay, now make the case for me. What's on the other thing here? Yeah, this is the 2 cow and 2 chicken. Oh, I also have a lin here, lin. This good passive skill for walk. So that's it. I will end the episode here. This husband look cute though. I like it. So see you next time. Goodbye.